All right, guys, it's DFW Junk Guys, 709 Mesquite, Texas. At an eviction clean out. We're gonna properly price this clean out, as I always do. Shit. All right, guys, so how do you properly price this eviction? As we walk up to the house, we're gonna talk about that. I think it's important that we evaluate every part of this house. That way, you can get an idea of what we do and how we do it, okay? So a big question is, how do we price an eviction? How can you assume the price of an eviction? How do you know what to charge? And what are you looking for when you're pricing an eviction? So this video right here that I'm doing is not gonna have any edits on it. I'm just gonna run it, okay? So that's the cool thing about it. So I don't have to do any editing to this video. So we're gonna start from the beginning. I just walked into the house. The sheriff left just a second ago. So here it is. I did two videos. I did a live video just here when the sheriff was here. And then I'm doing this video right now. And this video is a non-edited normal video that I do, that I used to do daily. I'm doing about 3 a week now. So here it is. First, we're gonna start with the price of my trailer, okay? So that's the most important thing. So here's my trailer, it's right behind us, okay? I got a 16-foot trailer. This trailer full is $400. The back of my truck full is $100. So that's $500. That's the most anybody, if I go to someone's house, that's the most I can charge anybody, is $500, okay? So let's start from there on and let's go forward now, okay? So here we go. As I'm going through this, I'm gonna start assuming what's it gonna take to really fill up my trailer. Well, how much time is it gonna take me, and how much room is it gonna take me to fill up the trailer, okay? So we start off by visualizing what there is, and we're just gonna walk through this really quick, and I'm gonna give you how to make this assumption. And when I do this, dude, I visualize fast, okay? So here we go. As I walk up to the house, here's what we're gonna do, guys. I notice a few things at the house. There's this stuff. Okay, that's gonna be not even a quarter of my trailer. So far we probably got maybe $100 worth of trash just right there. But as I walk through the house, I just walked through the front door. There's this, there's a chair. There's not really much there. I'm going through the living room right here, guys. I'm assuming stuff. Not even half a trailer. I'm not at half a trailer yet. All this stuff to clean out, not at half a trailer yet, guys. There's not a half a trailer yet. Now this big thing right here is huge. So far, just by looking at it, I'm at about $200, okay? I am still at not half a trailer. Here's the restroom, not a lot of stuff in there. It does have to be cleaned out. But here's another room. Some stuff in the closet, not much, glass, chair. I'm looking at this stuff and I'm still assuming, oh, they couldn't get it off the wall for flat screen. And I'm going through the other room. Here goes another, bags of trash, bags, shoes, not a lot of stuff. There's bags. Okay, headboard, big headboard. Okay, now guys, I got my number. For the whole house, without even looking at this last room, because there's really nothing in this last room, I'm looking at this last room and I'm assuming half a trailer. For the whole house, it's a half a trailer, $250, which is really nothing. This right here, to clean up this house, the inside of the house, is probably 30 to 35 minutes, $250, and I'm done. I'd be out of here. But that's not the big trash. The big trash is in the backyard. So here we go. We're inside. We were just here. The back door is right there. We're going to the backyard. And that's where we're gonna go, guys. Right here, I'm in the backyard, and check this shithole out. Holy cow, this is where everything gets interesting. So now, I just said we have half a trailer. What's it gonna take to fill up a trailer? So for a full trailer, I charge $400, but half a trailer is $250. $250 plus $250 is $500, but I still charge $400. It gives the perception that I'm giving the customer a deal. Regardless, I am giving them a deal. So I look at this really quick and I visualize that all this trash right here and anything that's in there and all this and even the tires that I'm not gonna take, I'm not taking these tires. I'm gonna throw those tires in the alley, okay? They're not our tires. We can't take them, so we're not gonna deal with them. But I look at all this trash right here and look at all this, guys. The dog houses, anything in there, this stuff, okay. And I'm looking and I'm going, okay, yeah, this is gonna fill up. I'm going another dog house. This is gonna be half a trailer, a full trailer. So half a trailer outside, half a trailer inside is a full trailer, $400 right off the bat. And this is just the half of the house. So if we go and we look at this as I'm doing this video, if we go and we half everything, so straight down the line right here, everything on that side and the house would be $250. Inside the house, $250. Full trailer, $400. They've already filled up my trailer, but we have another part of the house, and that's all that trash right over there. Here's what y'all don't realize what's going on. I'm already visualizing the stuff I'm not going to take. Here's two things really quick that I'm not going to be taking. I'm going to move this stuff to the front yard so I won't have to load it into my trailer. Okay, there is three things that I'm going to line up. First of all, there's an elliptical machine that's made of metal right here. It's got a motor right here. It's got all this metal, and check this thing out. It's an air blower, yard sweeper. We're not taking that. And if I include that yard blower with this, which is a bench machine, oh shit, here's a bench machine right here made of metal, I'm not taking that either. So far there's three things I'm not taking. I'm gonna leave this stuff, and what I do here, I do this so many times, I'm gonna leave this stuff in the front yard and somebody will come by later on and take it. But look at this, look at this, guys. I want you to assume all this trash that's right here. Trash, 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 all this, okay? Here's what y'all don't know. That orange thing is made of metal. The TV has stuff in it. Leave it out in the front yard. Here goes another one for you. Metal, metal, metal. None of the stuff is going in my trailer, including the Ryobi thing right there. So another air conditioner, another air conditioning unit. Now I'm taking all this in consideration in my head. I'm still moving it. I still got to charge for it, but I'm not taking it in my trailer. So the other half of the house, the half of the yard is all right here, guys. Here's all the rest of the trash right here. There's that, all this right here. Paint that we don't take, but we'll have to take today. Look at these chairs right here. Look at this, made of aluminum. They'll go in the front yard too. And look, these metal poles might look like they're sticks, but they're made of metal. See that? They're going in the front yard. We'll just pile them up. The vacuum goes in the front yard. Why? Let me show you something about the vacuum. The most valuable part in the vacuum is the electrical cord. And there's a lot of this cord right there. That is metal also. That will go in the front yard. So as I assume the second part of the house, guys, is $250 also. So let me go back to the beginning of this. Inside this house right here. Okay, we went inside the house. We came out. Half of this house right here, $250. The inside another $250. Add that together with the deal, $400. The other part of the house right here, all this stuff right here plus the side is an additional $250. Total eviction price here is $650. So that's the price right there. Now, can I take this all in one trailer? Everything will fit in my trailer. We just got to stack it right. But if we're doing it correctly, how to charge properly, it's $650. Done in 2 hours. This job is a 2-hour job for $650. Net 30 days. We're out of here. Okay? So there it is. But I'm going to start from the beginning. I want you to have an idea really, really quick of how this is working out. Okay? Diego, I need you to go get my phone. You're gonna take pictures. All right, so here it is. One more time, guys. Here we go. The inside of this house, we're at a house in Mesquite, Texas, okay? And what we did, we assumed everything inside this house right here was $250. There's not a lot of trash. As I walk into the backyard over here, we're gonna notice that there's more trash, okay? All this part from here on out is an additional $250. That would be a full trailer. With the discount for a full trailer, it's $400. It's a flat fee, $400. But we only said this part of the house right there. So let's add the other part of the house on this side right here. Additional $250. Just by looking at it, it's just $250, dude. It's not that hard. We'll probably break that thing down too. All those pallets and stuff will go. Everything will fit, okay? $250 plus the additional $400, $650. Did you notice that I charged a little too much for this side? And the reason is I'm charging a little too much for this side, even though that side has a lot more trash over here and not as much as this side. It's the fact this, we're giving them a deal, dude. Full trailer, $400 come on. We're just gonna throw another $250 on it. $650 for the full eviction. That's how you properly price an eviction. And there's a lot of recyclables here. Look, that's metal. All these railings are metal. The table chairs are metal. That dish, DirecTV, the radiator, the umbrella, The cords, I'm not taking that shit. What am I gonna make any money off of that? I'm not making any money off of that. So there you go, guys. $650 for the full eviction clean out here in Mesquite, Texas. We are done. I hope this video helps y'all out, price things. I hope it shows y'all how to do things right. Diego, if you don't mind, what do you think about the property, how bad it is in the backyard and the front yard?
No se sabe. No sabe nada.
He's not a big talker today. I don't know why. So we're just not going to talk today. All right, guys. So again, apparently this guy was a Packers fan too. So really, screw this guy. He can go to hell. So there it is. I hope this helps you out. Guys, if you need any more help, don't forget to check out my e-learning videos. These e-learning videos will help you not only price things out, but will show you how to, help your SEO, your website rank higher at universityelearning.com. It's a new website. We've sold about 31 videos. It's a great thing. I think it's awesome. There's over 200 free videos that I've done for y'all anyway. If you need more help, buy them. They're $7 a piece. But here's a free educational class on how to properly price an eviction. I think this is very helpful for people that don't know what they're doing when they do hoarder houses. Don't forget, I assumed the size of my trailer was at 16 foot at $400 each, okay? Now, here's what we're gonna do for this eviction. Let me pop this camera. Okay, so the next job that we do here is I give Diego my phone, and I tell Diego to take hundreds of pictures, and that's what Diego will do. He will take a lot of pictures of this property, and this is what we're going to send back to the lady who's going to pay me for this job. And there you go. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all appreciate how to properly price an eviction video. There's 2 of them that are going to be posted today. The live one just got posted a while ago. I did a live video here with the selfie cam and an Android phone, and then the second one will be posted tonight. Okay, so I appreciate everybody watching this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you love my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out and tell your friends about me. Bye-bye, guys.